Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Now we have granular dystrophy. Granular dystrophy is due to the defect in TGFB1 defect will result in granular dystrophy. In granular dystrophy is an autosomal dominant defect which mainly stains by a hyaline stain. So granular dystrophy can be stained by hyaline stain. And the granular dystrophy will look something like this. So these are the different granules in granular dystrophy, and on histopathology it looks something like this. So it is stained by hyaline stain.
thank you and thank you for watching.